Hi guys, and we're here again, going up on Mount Britain, and we're looking here. We see nice hibiscus plants, and below them, we're seeing what looks here to be ginger. And then we check, guys. This is actually ginger, very strong, nice ginger. And we look at the roots. Yeah, ginger. So that's it, guys. I want to let you know that where ginger comes from the rainforest, guys.
So if you're ever in the wild, if you're ever stuck in a rainforest and needed some ginger tea, one or hibiscus tea,
Ah,
right?
and look at that. There's more ginger all the way over
More
there,
ginger.
all the way down.
As you can tell, we're super excited. You know, when you get people who love gardening come out and see actual stuff here in the wild growing, you get super excited, right?
Yeah, so I mean, this is really a nice experience so far, going through and just seeing all the stuff that we already know and things that we are yet to know.
For sure. So this is our hike on Mount Britain, and we are in
The
the
El Yunque rainforest.
El Yunque rainforest, and just so excited to see some of these.
All right.
Awesome. This is the trail.
All right, guys. So see you at the top.